Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create scrolling timeline animation using InShot Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my InShot Video Editor and I'm going to create new project. Click on new, and then I'm going to use this blank clip as the background of my scrolling timeline animation video. Actually, you can add another background according to your needs, but here I'm just going to use this black background. And wait guys, I'm going to remove the InShot watermark. Okay, now the InShot watermark has been removed, and I'm going to extend the duration. I'm going to make it, for example, 8 seconds. Okay, and I'm going to add text to this video. I'm going to add timeline like this guys. You can create your own timeline. Oops, sorry. Okay, and 2025. Okay, and then I'm going to create scrolling effect for this timeline. You can change the font first if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then to create scrolling animation, we're going to use keyframe. I'm going to place it out of frame, and then we can click on this keyframe button like this. And then I'm going to go to the end part of this text, and I'm going to move it up to create scrolling animation. Okay, now it's done, and this is the result. And I'm going to export this video. Click on the check mark and then click on export. I'm going to select this resolution. Okay, wait guys. Alright, and then I'm going to create a new project and import the video we have just exported. And again, wait, I'm going to remove the watermark. Alright, and then I'm going to apply mask to this video. We can go to the mask menu and select the rectangle mask, and then you can adjust the mask like this. Wait guys, okay. I'm going to adjust the feather as well, like this. Okay, make it bigger. Alright, and let's take a look at the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling timeline animation video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.